How do I add multiple stops on Waze?
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to add multiple stops on your Waze journey. This feature is extremely useful if you have a long trip and you need to plan for rest stops, gas stations, food, or even want to take a quick detour to visit some places. By the end of this video, you'll know how to perfectly plan your trip with multiple stops on Waze. Let's dive right in.
Starting your journey on Waze.
First things first, let's start a journey on Waze. 1. Open your Waze app and click on the Where To button on the bottom of the screen. 2. Enter your final destination in the search bar at the top of the screen. 3. After selecting your final destination, click on the Go Now button to start the journey. Great! Now that you've started your journey, let's move on to adding those extra stops.
Adding extra stops to your journey.
Now that our journey has started, we can add extra stops. 1. Click on the Add a Stop button on the Directions panel. It will open a similar screen as before where you can enter your stop location. 2. Enter your stop location in the search bar, then select the appropriate suggestion from the list. 3. Click Add a Stop to add this location to your journey. Remember, you can repeat this process to add multiple stops to your trip. Now, let's look at how to manage these stops.
Managing your stops.
Sometimes, you might want to change the order of your stops or remove some stops. Waze has made this easy for us. 1. Click on the Stops button on the Directions panel. 2. Here, you can drag and drop stops to change the order, or click on the X next to a stop to remove it. That's it. You now know how to add and manage stops on Waze. And that's a wrap on how to add multiple stops on Waze. With this newfound knowledge, you're now ready to plan complex trips with multiple stops. Don't forget, this feature can come in handy when planning for road trips, or even just your daily commute with multiple errands. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Safe and happy travels!